Blessings and joy to you during this Black History Month. In the African American community, there's a saying, we stand on the shoulders of those who've gone before. But you can't remember and stand on something that you've never learned about. In 1910, Vivian Thomas was born in Louisiana, a grandson of a slave. In 1930, he was hired as the laboratory assistant for Dr. Alfred Blalock at Vanderbilt University. Dr. Blalock taught him anatomy and physiology, and Vivian learned surgical technique and the method of research. Together, Blalock and Vivian did some groundbreaking work in traumatic and hemorrhagic shock, which was a godsend for World War II. When Dr. Blalock was offered the position of chief of surgery at Johns Hopkins, he took Vivian with him. And Dr. Helen Taussig, the cardiologist, urged them to look at some way of helping her patients with tetralogy of Fallot or blue baby syndrome. So Vivian was tasked with creating a cyanotic dog, a blue dog, and creating a non-lethal procedure to correct it. So in 1944, Vivian Thomas stood on a stool behind Dr. Blalock, coaching him through the first Blalock-Taussig procedure on a tetralogy of Fallot patient. Dr. Thomas, or Vivian Thomas, he became the director of surgical research laboratories at Johns Hopkins University, and he was instrumental in training the first African-American cardiothoracic surgeon, along with Dr. Denton Cooley. Vivian received an honorary doctorate in 1976, and he stands on the shoulders of Dr. Blalock, who taught him, but the first Black surgeon stands on his shoulders. For me, I stand on the shoulders of Dr. Frank Bryant, who came down the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston and supported me while I was in medical school, and he served as medical director of Ella Austin Health Center here in San Antonio, where I served my national service obligation. My patient, Dr. Sierra Mitchell, she was my patient and my mentee while she was at Reagan High School and again at Rice University. And now she will complete her family medicine residency at the University of Texas at San Antonio. We stand on the shoulders, we never forget, and we pay it forward. So this Black History Month, please learn something new and pass it on. For more information on Dr. Vivian Thomas, you can see his life story on film in the movie Something the Lord Made. When you see it, pass it on.